In today's video, we're going to review and unbox the Beats Solo 4 wireless headphones set here. As you can see right here, I'm in the box. Nice box here. Then we go over here, look at the side. As you can see, have a straight opening right here where you can open the box, and then we turn around to the back. It just gives you the pretty much specifications on everything that this improvement from the Beats Solo 3 to the Beats Solo 4. As you can see right here, it says wireless over-the-ear headphones, comes with a cable case here. Then you also have the extended of 50 hours of battery life compared to the Solo 3. And of course, it works with Apple and Android mobile devices, computers, anything that pretty much has Bluetooth. And of course, it has unlimited wired playback. So if you don't have Bluetooth, then you can still plug it into using the audio jack. So, okay, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you're doing so now. So when we review everyday products on this channel, you guys are alerted and getting the notifications. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off and see what's inside the box. Okay, so now that we removed the protective plastic right here, as you can see, you get a nice box with the Beats Solo engraved into the top of the box. Okay, then now we get this nice carrying bag right here. As you can see, it just pops out like this. It's kind of an upgrade from the old hard plastic that they used to have before in some of the older models, but this is more like a mesh matted feel right here. As you can see, comes with a little fingertip thing right here. You can carry it or hook it onto something. And then they also give you the zipper right here where you can go ahead and unzip this just like this, and then you open it up. First thing you see, of course, is the headphones. And of course, if another thing right here, just you need help setting it up, they do give you a QR code where you guys can see of all the functions, tutorials, and everything of how to get this set up. Okay, so as we pull it out, nice and careful right here, like this. All right, so first, of course, we have the actual headphones right here. So first thing you can see, it's nice and comfy right up in here. Definitely cushion for the ears. Looks like it's a little bit different model from the Solo 3. It actually looks like it's a more snug fit this time around. As you can see right here, you got a good cushion here on the top. So depending on if you have a low haircut, you got a bald head, whatever it is, you definitely have cushion in here. So you guys can see that. It's nice leather, soft feel here. They do adjust, as you can see. And they are marked, as you can see on the inside right here. Right there. So this lets you know right here, this is the left ear, which is pretty much where all the functioning is going to happen. And then as we look here on the side, you got the Beats logo, of course. And then we look under the bottom. As you can see, this is the pairing button that you use to pair. This takes a USB-C right here cord now, so you can plug that in here to actually charge these up. And this is where your audio jack goes, right up in here. Now, if you want to change any of the functions, you can right here, you can press the button, press your play or your answer button right here. You need to set up your volume, go up, press right there. You need to turn the volume down, go right here. And like I said, the QR code I just showed will give you more functions on how to use these, of course. All right, and as you can see, they do fold in and out for safe, keeping them back in the carrying case here. All right, and like I said, to pair it, all you have to do is hit that button right here and it should light up, and you should see this button right here comes on, and then your phone, your computer, laptop, whatever it is, if it's Bluetooth enabled, you'll be able to connect these right to that. It will show the Beats Solo 4 on screen or some type of pairing connection here. All right, so now let's see what else is in this bag. And you can see right here, it's a good look at the bag. So you can pretty much see how it is. It's like a very snug fit, enough just to fit what you need in here. Of course, right here, we pull this out. This is the audio cable. As we stated, the audio cable goes right here on the side, just like that. Plug that in. And of course, he plugs into anything that has this audio jack in here, so you're able to listen manually to any type of stereo equipment or anything like that. And then they also give you a charging cable, which is to the USB-C, as you can see right here. Same color, it's gray. And what you do is you plug that right up into here, just like that. And of course, it's used to charge it. If you have a cell phone or anything like that that takes USB-C, you can use this as well. So as you guys can see, audio cable right here, and the USB-C is right here. This is the color black. They do have multiple colors of these headphones, so depending on what your style is, then you can definitely check it out. I'll put some links in the description below for you guys, so you can definitely check out more on this product right here, guys. So as far as like the sound quality, you see right here, pretty much look at the speakers. You can actually, without pressing it too hard, you can definitely tell it's an upgrade in the speaker and the sounds from the Solo 3. So I'm gonna give this a good spin, and then what I'll do is once I listen to some music, I'll come back and do a follow-up video and let you guys know of how all the functions and everything that I learned from actually trying these on. So this is the unboxing of the Beats Solo 4 headphones. Let me know in the comments if you like these, if you tried them already, what have you learned, what are your experience about it. And like I said, make sure you guys subscribe, and then catch you on the next unboxing and review video.